Why don't you tie your hair when you cook? Is this enough of an explanation? Look at me! This is my kitchen, this is my world, this is my food. I cook how I want, and my hair is part of my essence. Why do you want to take that away from me? If I want to cook with my hair down, it is my right, and I shall do as I please. You will never see me wearing a little cap, and you, I'm talking to you, come closer. You in the comments, leaving the same comment for the last 3 years. Why don't you tie your hair? Is that cashew pepe and hair? It might be, but it's my hair, and I love it, and I eat it as I please. Furthermore, how am I supposed to do the ingredients hair flip with that tiny little thing on my head? This is not your restaurant. This is not an inspected hygiene government facility. This is the Pasta Queen kitchen. It shall remain so no matter what anybody says. And this is a Pasta Queen service announcement.